Probably cosmos are the easiest flowers. They are like cut and come again, so they'll bloom as long as you deadhead them. They'll bloom all year. They don't like smell delicious, and honestly, I don't love them in bouquets because they're kind of fleeting. I find that they just don't last as long in a vase as they do in the ground. But in the ground, they're beautiful. They attract like a ton of pollinators. There's so many different colors and varieties. I have like a fuchsia, white, and like a champagne pink ombreing into yellow over there, and I'm excited to see what comes up in the next round. But cosmos are just like really easy, especially in this zone. Hi la la la. I guess the other one I would say is probably calendula. This one here. It's not only like a prolific grower, but it also puts out really prodigious seeds. So you can collect your own seeds if you want. And then, or I mean, it also self seeds. So if you plant it somewhere, you might get it forever if you want. And there's again, like tons of different varieties. So you'll get lots of different beautiful colors. And calendula is also medicinal in a lot of ways. So if you want to look that up, you could make, stuff out of it, medicines. But yeah, I'd say those are the two easiest flowers. I think people often want to start with dahlias. And if you do, I would say that like this is actually a great way to go because I grew all these dahlias from seed, from floret seed. And I'm really loving how it turned out, but it's just a lot easier to get started with dahlias from seed or from starts that are already grown from you than like, dealing with your own tubers. Um, but another one I really love if you like dried flowers, and this was a new one for me, but is ridiculously easy, is statice. And that's because whether you deadhead it or not, like I haven't deadheaded these in a long time, they continue to put off shoots and have these like, beautiful flowers that are great for drying even as they age. So if you don't think you're going to spend a lot of time out there and then like want flowers that'll last all summer in the garden and then all year in the house, then I would try statice. It's cute and fun.